got internet here. Ping pong table. Couches and stuff. That screen is available for projectors. We watched a movie on it. This is just the back. And then up there is where the cars can come in. And Neville. And clotheslines here.
Oh, it's gorgeous over there.
That's the big gate.
Are you recording?
What's that?
Are you video recording?
Yep, I'm recording.